Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you're a returning subscriber or someone who's been here more than once, welcome back. So for today's video, guys, we are actually going to be unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July. If you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam bag, it is a $10 per month beauty subscription from Ipsy where you receive 5 sample size or deluxe size products each month, and they can be anywhere from skincare, hair care, nail care, or makeup. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at the bag and see what we got this month. When you receive your package each month, it comes in an envelope like this. Nothing fancy on the other side, just my address. So let's go ahead and open it up. Inside of the bag, I pull out the actual Ipsy bag for this month. Every month they send you like a small cosmetic case with your products inside. And this month, it looks like they're full of different types of leaves or some kind of leaves or something of that sort. It's like a green and a peach color. And we have the little peach zipper there and the little tab there that says Ipsy on it. I'm not sure how I feel about this bag. It's not fabulous to me, but I don't hate it either. So it's kind of okay. But let's go ahead and get to the good stuff that's inside the bag. First thing I'm going to pull out is the card that comes with it each month. And this month says dive in. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. And that's what that looks like. And inside, it just shows what's in the bag for this month. All right, so let me leave that there. Let's pull out what we got. So the first item that I'm pulling out is from, it says Brighten Concentrate Oil with Kakudu Plum. Never heard of that. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. That's what that looks like. And it says, this Aussie brand infuses a blend of powerful native ingredients into their proprietary skin brightening and soothing elixirs. This highly concentrated oil is packed with vitamin C rich Kakudu plum, macadamia oil, and coconut oil to leave your skin refreshed and rejuvenated. And it says, massage a few drops of this oil onto a freshly washed neck and face upward in a circular motion. So it's a face oil, basically. And that's what the bottle looks like inside. It is approximately 0.17 ounces or 5 milliliters. It's enough to get a few uses out of and give you time to determine whether or not you like the product. Okay, and I do like face oil, so that's a nice little item to have. Let's see what's next in the bag. Oh, okay, this is a Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. I actually have another one of these. It may actually be this color, I'm not sure. But the one that I have, I do like. This is Crown of My Canopy. I really do think that this is the color I have. So I don't want to open it and swatch it because, like I said, I already have one open that I really like. So what I'll do is I'll put this in a future giveaway. So we'll go ahead and put that aside. But if you haven't tried these highlighters, they are really nice. And they retail, I believe, for like $3.99 or $4.99 normally. So I would recommend trying that if you haven't. For the low price, you get a really good glow. Next, we have Mother of Pearl Illuminator Hydrating Shimmer Lotion. Okay. And it says, watch your skin come to life when you step into the sun wearing Mother of Pearl Illuminator Crushed Pearls and Monoi de Tahiti. Directly from the South Seas, create a luxurious glow, clean scent. Directions: apply as often as desired, layer for more intensity. So it just sounds like this is like a body lotion with a little bit of shimmer. It says smooth over your collarbone, shoulder, chest, arms, legs, anywhere you want. So that's exactly what it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'll go ahead and rub a little bit on my hand what the texture is, and let's see if we see any shimmer. Oh, that's quite a bit. Okay, it's nice and thick. Nice texture. That's what the bottle looks like. That's what the product looks like. It's nice and thick. And let's see. Okay. It feels like a nice lotion. Now I'm looking, and maybe it's just me, but I'm not seeing much shimmer. Maybe a little. I take that back. Maybe a little. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera. Let's see if I move my hand. But there's a little bit of shimmer in there to me. But I guess that would be really nice if it's all over your body and you're out in the sun and it kind of hits you with the right light. So, okay, not bad. Like I said, it feels good. It feels like lotion. So we'll go ahead and move on. The next thing we have in here is from Smashbox, and it's Always On Liquid Lipstick in the color Babe Alert. Okay. I have a couple of Smashbox lipsticks and I really do like them. And I don't have this color, so I'm excited to get this. And I already have lipstick on, so I'll go ahead and swatch this on my hand and let you see what that color looks like. Oh, that's very pretty. That is absolutely gorgeous. a color that's right up my alley. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of this. Okay, nice, nice. And the last thing in the bag is from Trust Fund Beauty, and it is a nail polish in the shade Where's My Money? Okay, oh, this is really pretty. It is a beautiful lavender purple. I love this. I love this, and I'll add this to my nail polish collection. I have a ton of nail polish, and and of all the nail polishes I have, I don't think I have anything quite as light as this, but this is absolutely beautiful. Looking forward to trying that out. And I've gotten some other things from Trust Fund, some other polishes from Trust Fund Beauty through Ipsy, and I do enjoy the brand, so this is a nice add-on to my bag this month. Okay guys, so that's everything I got in my Ipsy bag this month. The cost of the Ipsy Glam bag is $10 a month, and for $10 we got 5 items, and I really like all 5 of the items that I got, and I know that I'll get some use out of these. We got the nail polish, we got the Smashbox lipstick, I got the Mother of Pearl Illuminator Lotion, we got the face oil from Brighton, and the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. So I think it was a really good bag this month, especially for $10. I believe it's like $10.60 actually with tax or something around that sort. But I really do like the bag this month. And also don't forget, we also get the cosmetics case, which I'm not crazy about this month, but it's okay. But anyway guys, that's all that I have for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you received the Ipsy Glam bag, let me know down in the description box what you got this month. If you don't receive the Ipsy Glam bag and you'd like some more information, I'll leave a link to their site down in the description box below. As always guys, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. And before you leave, if you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would truly appreciate it. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care.